Hello everyone. This is NCRT Standard 8th of 11th chapter and 11 point first exercise. Few questions we have seen in our last video, in last lecture especially, and now we have to start the last two questions. Means today we have to complete this exercise completely. Just two questions are remain, and as here you can see, this is the next question, fourth question. Okay, then dear students, we have to solve these two questions today so that our exercise will be complete. Okay, again want to confirm that screen is presented and voice is clear or not. Okay, both. Okay, then see here now. The fourth question. A flooring tile has a shape of parallelogram. Base is 24 and height is 10. Okay, so parallelogram shape is there. Parallelogram, actually pronunciation is. Mm, just a second. Okay, this is the shape flooring tiles. थोड़ी थोड़ी का टाइप नहीं जो है ना tiles. Actually, that is rectangular generally, but we have to accept. Okay, this type of tile is there. Okay, base is given 24, base is 24, and corresponding height means altitude you can consider. Okay, so this height is how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area? One, it is not 1080 pixel, 1080 meters square here. If required, you can see this bracket will not come in exam. If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. થાય ને કટ કરવી પડે ને કે આખી આખી તો ટાઇલ્સ દર વખતે લાગે નહીં દર વખતે દર જગ્યાએ. Okay, then here specially first I just want to ask you the logic, on which logic will run. Yes, you should speak in English, but if you are not able to deliver your message, then you can speak in Haji. Yes, why not? Just logic. I'm not asking you full answer. Just logic. First, what we will do, and then what we will do. Okay. 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 Area here. Using which formula we can find here this area? Yes. Okay. Base into height. Okay, then our answer is complete. Almost it's done. Okay, then very you all students are very enthusiastic that I have seen. Okay, then first we have to use base into height. Okay, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height is equal to, now here see 24 centimeter is there. Unit conversion is required actually, which you have said it's called unit conversion. So unit conversion is required here 1080. meter square, and this all is in centimeters, so you should use 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 0.20 meter is equal to 24 centimeter. Otherwise it's vice versa also, you can consider vice versa means a is equal to b, then b is equal to always a, it's called vice versa. So that also you can consider, like this also you can write. Direct also you can write 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, then 24 centimeter is equal to 0.24 meter. Because divide by 100. Simply in this type of terms you have to divide by 100, and as well as this is what actually your base. Okay, this is your base, and height is equal to 0.1. 1 also you can write, 10 also you can write. Okay, 0.10 centimeter, not centimeter. Okay, one more thing, just for information, if you don't know then you should write, it's not compulsory. 0.1, 0.10, 0.100, 0.1000, and so on. That all are same. These all are same because after decimal point, 0 has no value. Okay, actually 0 has too much value in our life because we all want to earn in 6 0 and 7 zeros. Okay, zeros are so much important, but after decimal point, 0 has no value. So you can write here actually 0.10 or 0.1 meter, and if you put this value, okay, 0.24 meter means 24 by 100 into 10 by 100. Okay, sorry, yes, 0.10, so 10 by 100. It will gives you area of parallelogram. So what will come? 24, because this 0 and 0 will cut upon 1000. Area or unit will meter. Now cost we have to find. तो आम न करे 0.024 में convert न करे, not required right now. Tell you later why not required. Okay, now how many such tiles are required to cover the floor of area? This much area. So we should write number of tiles are required. Number of tiles, okay, are required is equal to total area and area per tile. Area per tile, it's tile, huh? It's not style. Generally in our routine life the wrong pronunciation we speak. Okay, I have some tiles. અમારે ઘર બનાવવાનું છે ને તો અમારે ટાઇલ્સ લાવવાની, અરે સ્ટાઇલ્સ લાવવાની છે, સ્ટાઇલ બોલવાનું કા સ્ટાઇલ્સ એમ નહીં, ટાઇલ એન્ડ ટાઇલ્સ, ટાઇલ એન્ડ ટાઇલ્સ. Okay, and then today it's not final, then also let's see how much long this chapter is. 11 point 11.4. Okay, કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં, let's see. Okay, area of one tile. area of one tile. So 1080 upon 24, denominator 1000. So that will go top side. Okay, because in denominator it will come, so 1000 will go top side. So 1080, three more zeros upon 24. Now we have to divide. જો તમે 0.024 લખ્યું હોત ને તો પાછું તમને થોડુંક હાર્ડ પડે ડિવિઝન કરવું. So that I have written three zeros, so that three zeros will go upside, and now it is little bit easy to divide. પહેલા આપણે કેટલું કરશું તો 48 કેટલાથી કટ થશે જો just 1080 will try to divide by 24, means 540 by 12, means તમારે રીતે કરવાનું 270 by 6, means 45, 45 triple 45,000. ઓહો, ચેક કરો તો આન્સર. ઓહો, બહુ મોટું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન લાગે છે હો ભાઈ. 45,000 ટાઇલ્સ મગાવે છે. એ રીતે પાછી ટાઇલ્સ એ રીતે મોટી છે, નાની ન કહેવાય. વોટ 45? એ તો મને ખબર છે. ફાઇનલ આન્સર ઇઝ 45,000 ને. ઓકે, okay, then 45,000 tiles are required. You can divide by your method, typical multiplication, or you can use. Then 45,000 is the answer. $45,000 tiles are required. Okay, this is our answer, and this final answer you should write in statement form. Done? બસ હવે કે આપણે એને ડેકોરેશનમાં નથી મૂકવાનું દીવરાજ, ફટાફટી ખાલી એમને સાફ કરી નાખવાનું. એવું કઈ અંદર એવું બધું નહીં સાફ કર. અને એ ક્યાં આપણે જોશે નહીં એમ થાય તે. હા, એ થોડાક ને જોશે. ઓલું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન ક્યાં ગયું મેઇન આપણું? તો છૂટું નથી પાડી દીધું ને. ઓકે, ડન. એ સામે છે તો એ તારે ધ્યાન દેવું. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. આ તો આપણે કાલે ડિસ્કસ કર્યો તેવો ક્વેશ્ચન આવ્યો. An ant is moving around few food pieces. Actually, this is the food pieces. These are few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. Floor ઉપર આવી રીતે પડ્યા છે, બરાબર. For which food piece? Again, why you people are coming after 12 p.m.? See, it's 12 and 70. ભાઈ જાણે ઓલો કેમ બગીચો હોય. Now it's strictly warning that okay, now it's strict instructions that you have to come on time. 5-10 minutes are that is okay, but you people are coming 15 minutes, 20 minutes late. That's not fair. Okay, it's not fair. So you should come on time. હાલો, આપણે મેઇન લોજિક ઉપર આપણે પાછા આવી. નકર ભાઈ નહીં આવો તો. Tomorrow is Sunday, fun day. From Monday, if you will not come on time, more than 5 minutes late, will not allow. Then here, next question is, this question is running on right now. Food pieces. Would the ant have to take a longer round? શેમાં? બરાબર. Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression 2 pi r. This will not come in exam. Where r is the radius of circle. Then finally, actually, here you just tell me what we have to find. If question not understood, yes, what circumference? Okay. Actually, means here we have to find perimeter of all. Because circumference તો શું છે કે that is for particular circle, for circle only you can use that word. Finally means this thing here we have to find આ બધી જગ્યાએ હાલે છે બરાબર. Okay, so ant will run here everywhere on this all pieces. Total એને કેટલું distance કાપવું પડે એ વસ્તુ find કરવાની. For first one now you all know because we have already discussed. પણ એની જરૂર નથી તો તું કેમ એને સાફ કરે? એની ક્યાં જરૂર છે તો કેમ સાફ કરે? એ નહીં પડે, એ રહેવા દે. ઓલું મેઇન થઈ ગયું તારે? હા, આપણા મેઇન જે હતા એ બધા લે. પણ એ બધા કરવાના જ હતા. વાંધો નહીં હાલ. જસ્ટ 1 મિનિટ. મારામાંથી તો ઓલા કલ્પેશભાઈને ફોન લગાડતો અને તું પછી પેલું લેતો આવ્યો. જસ્ટ 1 મિનિટ. Formula, tell me fast. Here, which formula we can use? Can you see my face? What? See my expression. Pi r plus d. Why you people are not giving proper answer? ભાઈ ભૂલી ન જાઓ જો ભાઈ. Pi r plus d. Here see. Yesterday we have discussed for circle that is 2 pi r. Okay, for circle that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. For semicircle by 2 એટલે pi 2 cancel pi r. But what about this diameter? Okay, so pi r plus d. So what will come? Pi r plus d. એવું કેમ કરવું ભાઈ? પહેલા રેડિયસ ફાઇન્ડ કરવું, પછી પાછું ડબલ કરવું. ડાયરેક્ટ તો d રાખો. Pi r plus d, and here it's required. Okay, radius. Okay, radius is equal to 1.4 થશે ને? Because this diameter is 28 means 2.8, so its half. Radius is 1.4, so 22 by 7 into radius 14 by 10, so that 7 2s are 14, directly it will cut. Okay, plus d 2.8. Okay, now 7 2s are 2 5. 1 minute wait. આવશે હમણાં તું આવું બરાબર. Okay, now just 1 minute. 2 5s are we can cut, but we will not cut. Why we will not cut? Because when in denominator it is 10 100 1000, so that type of numbers we don't have to cut. Why? Because listen, 22 by 5, that is little bit hard. પાછું તમારે ડિવિઝન કરવું પડે ઓકે બટ 44/10 if I will write then directly 4.4 you can write okay so that જ્યારે પણ denominator 10,000 means 0 is there then that thing you should not cut now here 22 to the 44/10 plus 2.8 4.4 plus 2.8 6 point no 7.2 centimeter તમારે વ્યવસ્થિત લખવાનું proper you have to write in proper manner proper description is required you have to write here diameter is 2.8 so that radius is 1.4 centimeter 1.4 centimeter and then you have to write in proper manner so first is 7.2 centimeter we have to find all and then we have to decide in which portion ant has to run much distance he has to travel much distance it has to okay then here second one tell me here what we will do any idea બે ત્રણ વસ્તુ થઈ શકે તમને જે કાંઈ પણ આવતું હોય બોલો no idea hello then may I start pi r yes that is okay not wrong then but that is not correct શ્રેય ક્યાં રમવાનું કીધું તું તમને લોકો મારે ત્યાં લેક્ચર હાલે છે બહાર રમવા જાવ see now what we should do we have breadth this is the rectangular part almost એક મિનિટ આ જો જાય ને તો try yes like that only something like that first we can find first perimeter of rectangle huh? Few things I am going to write here you just see what we can do perimeter okay perimeter of rectangle okay minus one side means minus length plus semicircle plus semicircle let me tell you again first full perimeter of rectangle we will find full which is 2 into in bracket L plus B but downside one side is not there so that we will remove one length we will remove which is 2.8 that we will remove but here what about this semicircular shape so we have to add semicircle which is pi r perimeter of semicircle which is pi r that you can do otherwise directly 1.5 plus 1.5 see 1.5 actually I should write here not 1.5 but length okay this length plus breadth means L plus B plus B plus this pi r just semicircular part pi r so this is easier in compare of first one L is 2.8 plus B is 1.5 plus again B 1.5 plus pi 22/7 into R radius is 1.4 here we have 14/10 7 2s okay now 1.5 plus 1.5 3 plus 2.8 5.8 plus. Again, the same answer will come 22 to the 44 by 10, 4.4. And if you add 10.2 centimeter, this strategy you should apply. Again, check the answer. Second one should be 10.2. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. For it, okay, for it now, because still we cannot decide which one is the longest. So still we have to find this one. Okay, then 2.8, again 2.8 is just diameter. This, it's called actually arc. For circle, for example, this is the circle, okay, and one small portion, if you are considering about small portion, so it's called arc. તમને જો કે ખબર જ હશે પણ then also I will inform, okay. Then this is actually, it is not 2.8, એટલે 2.8 તમે આને ન સમજ. This આ આપ્યું છે 2.8, કેવી રીતે છે? 1 minute, let me understand the question because here I'm little bit confused. Here this straight, just 1 minute. હા, પાતળો વાળો નહીં હોય તમારી આગળ? એલ્યુમિનિયમ નહીં, ગમે એવો પાતળો વાળો આપી દો. ના ના, એ બહુ પાતળો જોઈ ન હાલે. વાયર પછી અમારે જેની અંદર ઓલું નાખવાનો છે ને એમાં નહીં જાય. ના ના, એવો તો મેં એક વાળો મારી રીતે ગોત્યો છે રફ. બીજું બધું આપી દો ને, વાળા સિવાયનું બધું તમારે આગળ વાળો. આ રીપાનું ને ઓલું પટ્ટી જેવું આવે એવું કાંઈ છે? પતરાની પટ્ટી જેવું એકદમ પાતળું કઈ? પણ એ અમારે તોડી નાખવાનું છો, પણ જે આપો એ કટકો કરવાનો. હા, આપણે ઓલું જે ઠેસી જેવું કરવાનું છે કે નહીં? ના 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 ના, નો હાલ. હાલ ને વાળો ગોતી રાખ્યો, બીજું બધું લેતો હોય. Actually, students, we are trying to make a project, a working model of mathematics right now. We are making. Divya, Divya Raj Ahir from ninth A. When model will complete, then I will show you that model. That video we will shoot and will I will share in your group also when it will complete. Right now, we people are making so that. તો 2.8 તો ભાઈ કયું છે ડાયામીટર? હિયર ડાયામીટર ઇઝ 2.8, 2.8, 2.8. તો શું છે ડાયામીટર છે 2.8 કે આ તે 2.8 છે? હાલો ચેક કરી લઈએ. 2 plus 2, this is because actually it's called arc. ચેક કરી હાલો. 2 plus 2 અને 2.8 એટલે 6.8. આમાં તો કઈ કરવાનું જ નથી, તમે જો ખાલી એડ જ કરવાનું છે. This arc actually is 2.8 given here. Then here perimeter is equal to, okay, perimeter is equal to radius plus arc. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2.8, 6.8 centimeter. Hmm. So that I'm asking. So that I was confused. It means that this is not 2.8. 2.8 તો આ તે આપણું અત્યારે જે મેં ડ્રો કર્યું. So that I was asking to you. Okay, doesn't matter 8.4 એ લાવી દઈ. 8.4 હું 9.4 લાવવો હોય તોય લાવી દઈ. Okay, then here diameter, then હવે કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરો? Just wait, huh? 1.4 એટલે હાફ કેવી રીતે થાય ભાઈ? હાફ કેવી રીતે થાય? હાલો એમ જ કરશું. યસ 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 યસ. ઓકે, then logic is r plus pi r. આ જ વસ્તુ જે આપણે ઉપર. Yes, here for this we have used same concept pi r. Then here we will use pi r only. વધારે કેમ કઈ વિચારવું? Pi r, okay, 22 by 7 into radius 14 by 10. થોડુંક આ સાઈડ લખી. Okay, r plus r, 2 plus 2 4 plus 22 by 7 into radius 14 by 10. 4 plus 4.4. કેટલું 8.4 કીધું તું? એ જ મને ડાઉટ હતો કે આ ઘણી વખત શું હોય 10th ની બુકમાં છે ને ડાયરેક્ટ જો આવી રીતે આજે લખ્યું ને, સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધી ડાયરેક્ટ વેલ્યુ ઓફ આર્ક ડાયરેક્ટ. ધીસ યુ કેન કન્સિડર આર્ક અને મેં આર્ક ને 2.8 ડાયરેક્ટ કન્સિડર કરી લીધું. યસ. સેકન્ડ લાઈન. હા હા, એ યસ કોર્નરમાં આવી ગયું છે. 2 plus 2 plus 22 by 7 into 14 by 10. Radius is 1.4, so we can write now 14 by 10 is written. I hope 2 plus 2 plus 22 by 7 into 14 by 10. Done? Is it clear? Okay, now see, for your just information only, means for your just data, I will upload a video which today I have recorded. But because as you also know, too much disturbance was there in this video, so afterward I will delete this video. જે લોકોને મિસ થઈ ગયો હશે લેક્ચર કે કોઈ જોવો હશે તો જોઈ લેશે, but this lecture is not means this recording is not so good. બીજા કોક જોવે થોડું ખરાબ લાગે ક્યારે. Yes, so right now after few minutes I will upload these things, but afterward I will delete out this video. Okay, so thing is that if after ન કરો એમ કરીશ, આપણે અનલિસ્ટેડ કરીને મૂકી દઈશું. ઓકે, લિંક આઈ વિલ પુટ, સો વેન યુ વિલ ક્લિક ઓન ધી લિંક you will able to see. Okay, હા એમ તે કરી નાખશું. Okay, now something new, we'll just see, we will not start. Let us see here. First exercise we have completed. Okay, first one. Now we'll come to trapezium. So 11.3 today you have to read. Okay, let me give you some homework also. Ito હોય જ તે. ito. Yes, homework is in. Yes, homework is in rough book. So first of all, two questions which today we have completed, that you have to write once in rough book and once in fair book. Just 1 minute. Exercise 11.1, question number last two. Fourth and fifth night was. Question number 4 and 5. 1. Once in rough book. Once in fair book. In fair book. Not Facebook, huh? This is fair book. And try this આપેલું છે નહીં try this workbook હતા કે workbook parallel workbook you have to maintain parallelly, okay, and I think some example is also given. Few examples are given, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure, but then also let me. No, try this. Okay, this try this. But this is not compulsory. This try this is given, but this you have to solve, but this is not compulsory. Okay. હજી થોડુંક ના ના એવા ન હોય. કોણ બોલ્યું હતું? અમીરાજ બોલ્યો? કોણ બોલ્યું હતું? અમીરાજ એમ કીધું ને કે ભાઈ તો કોઈ નહીં કરે, એવું ન હોય, કરવા વાળા તોય કરે જ તે. અને એવા એક્ઝામ્પલ બુકમાં એરિયા ઓફ આ બધું તમારે રીડ કરીને આવવાનું. Okay, so that these all things you have to read, so that in next lecture, means Monday, directly we can start exercise number 11.2. Okay, directly I will start. Who have asked? Who have asked? શું લખ્યું છે? WB, it means workbook. Workbook parallelly you have to maintain. Again and again I am telling you, parallelly you have to maintain. જેટલું આપણે ચાલતું જાય એ રીતે વર્કબુકમાં એ ટાઈપના જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ હોય તમારે સોલ્વ કરતા જવાનું. Because when chapter will complete, then after completing that chapter, after few days, means after 1 or 2 days, I will ask your workbooks. At that time, that should be completed. And now, just 2 minutes. ભાઈ બધું complete. ભાઈ બધું કરવાનું હોય. તું ઓલા ભટ્ટનો ભાઈ છો ને, લાસ્ટ યર હતો એ. હા બસ સમજી ગયો હવે. એ ભટ્ટે તારી જેવું જ કરતો. બે ભાઈઓએ તમે નક્કી જ કર્યું છે કે આપણે છે ને સાહેબને હેરાન કરી નાખો. Okay, now Parth Dodi, how many are there? 17 students. Parth Dodia, yesterday I think you was in class, yes or no? I have given some homework to all. Have you done that? Okay, you can turn on your camera and I want to see your homework. What you have done. Turn on your camera. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. It's clearly not appear. Make its PDF and send me. Okay, on my WhatsApp number. Not photos, huh? PDF. You know now how to make a PDF of any copy. Okay, and just one more. Kamalia, Bharat, have you done? Show me. Net connectivity is not good, I think. Net speed is too slow so that I cannot appear that thing. દેખાતું નથી ખાલી બુક હોય એવું લાગે. 111 મિનિટ. Area, perimeter. Make it PDF. It's PDF and send me. Okay, afterward because few things are there that I want to check properly. આવી રીતે નહીં ખબર પડે. Okay, and now you people may leave. Monday on 12 p.m. we will meet. Okay, and which homework I said you that you have to complete. Okay, anybody have doubt for this class? Okay, you may leave. Thank you.